AI isn't coming for jobs, it's already taking over them. And some of the tools in this video are doing work that used to take entire teams. By the end, you'll see which jobs are disappearing and which people are winning. According to the latest global workplace reports, AI and automation are expected to reshape millions of jobs before 2030. But here's the twist. New roles are also being created. So the question isn't, will AI replace jobs? It's which jobs go first. I'll show you 5 AI tools already doing human work. And the last one is something almost nobody sees coming. Tool number 1, AI writing assistants. Before we used to have writers, marketers, and blog teams, but now AI writes ads, emails, articles instantly. For example, companies are now using AI to generate marketing campaigns in minutes instead of days. Tool number 2, AI coding agents. Some engineering teams now let AI write code overnight, turning small teams into super teams because AI can now suggest codes and the developers only review them. Entry-level coding jobs may change. Tool number 3, AI design and content creation. Graphic design used to take years of skill, but now AI can create thumbnails, social media posts, ads, instantly reports. Also mention that creativity now competes as AI improves. Tool number 4, AI customer support agents. AI chat agents are now handling conversations that used to take entire teams. For support, the reason is that they are faster and 24/7 available. However, humans can still handle complex cases. Tool number 5, AI data plus analytics automation, and this might surprise you. AI can now analyze data and even suggest business decisions work that used to take analysts hours of research. But here's what most people get wrong. AI is not removing jobs, it's changing them. Small businesses can still not utilize it. The who lose aren't those replaced by AI, it's the people who ignore it. So the question is, will you fight it or learn to use it? Comment the job you think would disappear. And don't forget to like and subscribe.